Yeah. Idiot.
So can anybody tell us why grooming your dog is very important?
If you don't, he looks like that.
It looks So it's very important you have the correct brush for the correct dog.
They probably look better on YouTube.
So
Stand up.
you also have to examine your dog. So if you want to just put your brush away for a minute.
Oh my goodness.
So the first thing to do is just check in the ears and have a little smell, see if you smell anything. Have a look at your eyes. Have a good feel around the skin of your dog, make sure there's no lumps and bumps. Have a look in the teeth. So then you've got to have a feel in the genital area to see if the holes have dropped. Oh, it looks like there's only one. Oh, look, there's one drop now. Okay, and finally, you just have a look at the anus there and see if there's any